All right, super fast video. All I'm gonna do is show you using a Apple SuperDrive in 2025 with an M1 MacBook Pro. It's USB, so you need an adapter like this. So put on your adapter and plug it in. Okay, now you're plugged in, so I'm just gonna grab a CD and put it in. All right, so it's gonna spin up the disc, and then I have Apple Music, also known as iTunes, pulled up, and I'll screen capture the rest from here. Okay, so I'm in Apple Music, iTunes. The CD is appearing under Devices on the left column. So all you need to do, check over the contents, make sure it's correct, and then go over here to Import CD, and it will start ripping the CD. I won't show you that, but then when you're done, you can edit the metadata, the title, the artist name, album. You can put in your album artwork, and then you eject the disc using this button. And you're done. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to do a DVD. So you got it plugged in, and you're just gonna grab a DVD. Stick it in. Okay, and then when you put the disc in, it's gonna pull up the in-house DVD player on the Mac. So it makes it really easy. So then from there, you know, you're at the main menu and you can play right on the screen. So like I'm using the trackpad, and I can just click right on the screen, play, setup, scenes. Just like that, go back to main menu. I'm not gonna play it, but there you go, it just pops right up. Now I'll show you HDMI. So I have a 2020 MacBook Pro, and this is what I figured out. I have this hub with HDMI, and when I plug it in, it takes up both of my USB-C ports, because I only have 2 USB-C ports on the left side. That's all I have on this MacBook. The point is, when I plugged in the SuperDrive into the USB or the USB-C, it would not work. So this hub was not supplying enough power to the SuperDrive. So to fix that, to fix it, I'm just using a dedicated HDMI dongle that takes up one of the USB-C ports only. That way I can plug the SuperDrive into the remaining USB-C port and get the power that's required to power the SuperDrive. So now I'm plugged in, and it'll take the disc. Okay, so here I am on the TV. It's all ready to go. I can move this little thingy around. And that's it. I'll show you what happens when you don't have enough power to the SuperDrive. I'll show you what happens when I try to use the full hub. Okay, so this is what happens when I use this full hub. It takes up both of the USB-C ports. I have an HDMI out, and I go to plug this in, and I get this message. So I got that message, and then this is what happens. Just won't take the disc. So that's it. That's all I got. Hope it helps.